Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melody. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Let's open your gifts. Okay, let's open. Ooh. This one is from Davido. Wow. Aya, what do you have? Oh, where are you going to? Oh, so beautiful. Show the camera. Beautiful. Two? Two, yes, it's two. Yeah, it's two. Good. Oh, so beautiful. Thank you, Davido. Say thank you. Say thank you. What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
Thank you.
What do you have to say? No. What do you have to say? Say thank you. Oh, the non this.
Yes, no.
Then this one is from Alessandra and Gabriel. Okay? Let's open. Wow. This is beautiful. Two, yeah, this is beautiful too. You like it, huh? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
Thank you.
Say thank you. I said, bitch, you know, so picking on the shirt. Okay, this one, Melody and Sophia. One for you, one for Sophia, okay? Oh. This is for water, okay?
Io so così solo.
This is for water. Wow.
Questo è la sabbia.
This is for when it's time for you to go to the beach. Okay?
Sì, basta che non lo prendo.
I will not open it for you now. Perché se apri adesso cominciano a giocare con questo. Va bene? This is from Sam, Pat, Sudani, Tehan, and Jeremy. Wow! Beautiful! This is beautiful. Oh, questo è perfetto.
Sì,
Dietro posso vedere?
anche per primavera.
Oh, Melody sì. Mamma
Tutte le
mia,
sirene.
What do you have to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good job.
Sono noi.
What do you have to say to Auntie Alessandra? What do you have to say to Auntie Alessandra?
Io lo so perché.
Oh,
Perché
le
ci sono
sue
io.
ragazze.
Quale che apro questo?
Perché c'ho il mio gruppo. Sono io. Ma gli altri regali?
Se apro questo adesso lei...
No, non lo aprire
Ho
adesso.
giocato, io bene, mi piace, piccola.
Quante-
Anche come te,
What do you have to say to Auntie Alessandra? Mama? What do you have to say to Alessandra?
Giocare.
Allora, questo...
Chi è?
Come, because you saw the bell ring.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Guarda cosa qui c'è fuori.
Melody, see this one. Apre.
Guarda.
Woo!
Le tue ballerine.
Come.
Dai, andiamo. Dai, così ti do miliardi di euro.
What do you have to say to Auntie Alessandra? What do you have to say?
A nessuno, solo a me. Ciao.
Prima di andare lei c'è da dire grazie, ma adesso non lo so più.
Sono io, mi ha detto.
Poi, questo che abbiamo aperto prima,
papà.
questo,
Wow. Mega. Non lo mettiamo però.
e wow! Questo per ballare.
Balliamo.
Manca una cosa, ecco. Questo è da scuola.
Disegni.
Auguri Melody, eccola! Da Azzurra, Lara, Sofia, Valerio, Bianca, Davide, Marina, Elia, Valeria, Vittoria, Elia. Grazie. Poi abbiamo questo. For
oh, vedi, queste mie cose di ci sono due,
per Melody, grazie.
Sembra che è tutto tuo. Solo che sono
Per me. Oh, thank you. Mamma mia.
sei ricco.
Thank you so much. Guarda che disegno per me. Chi l'ha fatto questo disegno?
E poi?
Bello!
Guarda un po', c'è un'altra cosa che è.
Carina. What do you have to say? Hai capito?
Oddio!
Mamma, che carina. Lei piace, guarda.
Senti, ma secondo
Chukwu emela n'ụmụ anwawe chachi yova akịbere n'ụmụ ọmụwa Chukwu zakwara n'ụmụ ekpere ihe amawe Chukwu emela amawe Chukwu zakwara n'ụmụ ekpere Jesus nwoke dị mma ife mere dị mma n'arụ odogwu aka nzaka nwoke obi ọma ya ọlụ ịlụrụ dị mma n'arụ ife anyị mela sọgbu enume ọlụ ịlụrụ atọgbu enume ife mere dị mma ya
Wow. Can you see? Are you happy? Okay, I will let on it. You're happy? Okay. Yes.
Wow.
Wow. Wow, this is amazing. Mommy, do you know what this thing is? Huh? You that likes mirror. This is beautiful. Wow, see what she got as her birthday present from my husband's friend. Mama, wait. This is a mini dressing mirror. You can't wait now. This is her hairbrush. This is her perfume. This is her perfume. This is eyeshadow. Okay. This is mommy. Wait. This is you can't wait. This is lipstick. Okay. This is perfume. This is her pancake. Wow, this is so beautiful and so thoughtful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Uncle Luca. Thank you so much, and Auntie Francesca. God bless you guys. Mama, do you like it? What do you have to say? Thank you. So this is your stand. Anytime you want to. And thank you to your friend Ludovico. Anytime you want to dress up, you come here and dress. You that likes mirror. Shakara don't start. Oh, you're putting it inside. Oh. This is so thoughtful and beautiful. And she likes mirrors so well. She likes seeing herself in the mirror. Wow. Say thank you to your friend Ludovico. What do you have to say to Ludovico? What do you have to say? Mama, what do you have to say? Say thank you to Ludovico. Come. Piace?
Sì, buono, eh?
Questo?
Sì, buono, eh?
No.